for my mama aquaba aliba Xposed you so only a family more elegant kwame amega and I'm making a day abrona Christiana Chu and sense me so and a day Yegina swa ye twetwe onkomo ana yakopa hu ensem ade abrona woni se Ghana edu 31st bia na edi baby mu edwa ebiba mu so ani age because omo kwa asori na omo akotie enkomhye a asofo ede beba abontia mo so eden ebeti ebi na emuno na 31st prophecies nearby no and a prophet Agyenim any prophet Nigel Gaisie I had to say no and come show share no and no one na be mu pepepe because now in their speeches no and in their prophecy no na just say a baby 31st night no prophet Agyenim just say and then be dregu it is not in Ghana but it is in a foreign land na e be dregu no otumu say abrofofo nkoa e no omahwere won nkoa and omo da ho no otumu say onu nim so abrofo nkoa na be nso okohwe ya na before a nipa no kro obeye footballer na wo show ye be kon na ofi Nigel Gaisie so make similar prophecy just like that yem ko tie ensema ana prophecies are prophet Nigel Gaisie and prophet Agyenim at the betu on during 31st night.
I am seeing that a landfall. I want to say a whole area, a dying, a juego. And I'm seeing across nations. I want to say you can say landfall.
You will earthquake this as fast as issue. Nasasia and fast and then Asasia and glass also. You white people. Now Asasia earthquake and fast. Great tower and then you see the HP. When I saw that, and I'm going to say, a number of Ghana and Africa, and I'm going to say, and Africa and Saudi. Let's take note of this. I think this is that the Republic is very important. I don't know this is very important. Say, a bank is every it is not something good, and yet the best, and yet the best. No be believer could be. Oh, young one was here. It's a year. What I tell a mission simple, neither I did that in take your own baby. I said that. Say, how I come over here.
Everybody say, Anna, ye deep for no minimum acte. Do say a yen part, say yen some money no. When yanko pony won't kasa because sometimes we also want to feel say. When yanko pony or mokasa, yanko pony or mokasa. And no, and a Ghana 4% who said, when yanko pony kasa, let it manifest. And share in one of the prophecies now, ye kasa now say, ye be pony ni pan ewu. Yen so Christian 2 weeks you buy Ghana phone na I feel say oh. Ye then the best ye buy a see your home. And now no part in the Musa say, I acquire mistake, Christian Achukra ye home. This is what me, Limo, elegant Kwame Amega. When I ever bomb my army percent no yet to drink como, I and Camera and Conjame. Oh, quite young idea. See, and to train and como. Nay, to the Bia, Yem Buya dream, Yem Bia dream, Cacanium to train and como. And como burn a percent no dream. You see, when it comes to Christianity issue with the prophecy and all these things, I told you be a prophecies ever, a bear and on. And yeah, dear me person make counsel say, Mama, the fake prophet in this country. Let us ignore every prophecy that comes from the genuine ones. It is not easy to be a man of God. And when I make Catholic Ghana for it is not easy to be a man of God. It is not easy to be a man of God. Yes, shall we now born by protecting hope from any kind of man of God that all the authority area business. Onyanko pongras who san man janima okra. But as this is God's word, so a ray blow we share na home media. Can who say na home we share a deep for papa bimoso. And I won't kasa a bill. When the prophecy comes, just listen and try to pray for it. Prophecies here, babe, it has been confirmed. I won't say about you know, we are now regarding them. It be 1 year and we're buying and 31st do and I saw for sometimes it's not the 31st when that's when they see those things. Maybe a year quite maybe a June, July, August. I didn't know him say a busy the next year. So what? They will dream as much, they will pack all those prophecies down. Then they gather up and say them on the first. And some hero it's Moma Yenji and Comshe Endi and Comshe Pa, Nienja Sofo, Naya Di, or Aha, and I'm a demo ever see me. I made it to me abroad. Within a little more elegant Kwame and wait me, a family African, that's and they say she am a